get ready right now to turn that frown upside down, because today is day one of our 4th annual Cat Week. Millions of you wrote in and asked us to bring Cat Week back another year. Not millions. Thousands. Hundreds, 3 of you. And I always give the people what they want, so all week long we are going to be talking about cats. We're going to be looking at pictures of cats. We're going to be watching videos of cats. Don't change the channel. We're going to do other stuff too, but mostly there's going to be some cat stuff every once in a while. So let's kick off this bad boy with a couple of videos. This first one is a video of 2 cats. I don't know why they don't just buy 2 bowls, except that it's interesting to watch these 2 cats sharing a bowl. No, that's mine. I'd like some more, please. They're very polite about it, aren't they? That goes on for another 45 minutes, so that's enough. Here's a kitty that forgot to, well, you'll see. It's sweet. Cleaning itself. Just when it stops, it forgets to put its tongue back. What's so funny, everybody? Yeah. I think it was a member of the band Kiss. I have some great news. We have time for one more. And this is a cat that loves windshield wipers. That can't possibly happen again. Oh, it is. There. I don't know if it lives in that car or what it's doing in the car, but there. Yep. Oh, I'll get it. I got it. Hey. Ah, it's cute.